Molly from Katy has a dirty duct.
She knows you don't like it, but she's considering duct cleaning. Okay. Molly writes,
Yes.
We were part of the Harvey flooding in Katy, 24 inches of water in the house. Sorry about that. We rebuilt the property and getting our house certified mold-free. We've done it right. They got this certification says the house is mold-free. And we had our heating and cooling system checked. Everything is working well. But we're wondering if our air ducts need to be cleaned under this circumstance, even though you don't normally approve it.
No. Well, first of all, she says it got approved through the mold testing. If they did it right, that's good. Everything is working fine. Nothing is not working fine. Why would you do something?
Nothing.
Don't fix it.
Hang on a second. Nothing.
That's a Tynanism.
Okay. We're on Tynan standard.
Don't fix it if it's not broken. Now, here's the real answer to that question. If you had issues with the ducts, you don't clean them, you replace them.
Yeah.
Okay? So there's no in-between. You just don't do it to make you feel good.
I say like that because we did that here in the palatial Mojo Media studios.
And that's what a good tech is going to tell you, like Absolute Comfort Air. We're not going to clean these things. They're a mess. We're going to put new ones in, and you have a nice clean slate to start with.
And I'm going to tell you, of the entire project of replacing our system, the ducts were the cheapest part.
Yeah, it's not as bad as people think.
And I'll tell you what's cool. When they come
the air conditioner.
I see what you did there. Okay, yeah.
Stop touching me.
What's really cool is when they come to put them in, you want to have a camera and go out there and get a picture of all those ducks out in your driveway because it's a cool looking thing. It is. It's like silver spaghetti all over your front yard.
Okay. Okay.
It's a picture you'll treasure for years.
Whatever you say.
You know, like baby pictures and stuff like that.
We should put it in the living room.
I have it hanging in the... Okay.
There you go.
Would you like to hang an answer in your living room?
Yes.
Well, send us your question. We'll answer it right here, and you can print it out and do a screen grab and frame it. That'd be perfect. Just like these ones over here. Or subscribe to our channel. You'd be helping us out. Thanks.